Ever wondered how microscopes transform science? In today's lesson, we explore the light microscope's key components and discover how each part makes visible a hidden, microscopic world. Begin with the eyepiece, the ocular lens where your observations start. Typically offering 10x magnification, the eyepiece invites you to peer into cellular mysteries with clarity. Next, the rotating nosepiece hosts the objective lenses that drive detailed visualization, ranging from 40x to 100x magnification. Travel to the stage, a sturdy platform where the specimen slide rests securely. Clips and micro-manipulators keep the slide in precise position as details emerge. The focus knobs, both coarse and fine, refine the image from blurred outlines to sharp, vivid clarity. A well-designed illumination system channels light through a condenser lens, while controlled diaphragms balance the perfect contrast for each specimen. Now imagine applying staining techniques. The Gram stain reveals bacterial secrets by turning cells purple or pink, clearly distinguishing gram-positive from gram-negative forms. Acid-fast bacteria glow vividly red with the Nielsen stain, ensuring even the smallest pathogen stands out. Negative and Giemsa staining further illuminate cellular architecture, while trichrome staining employs contrasting hues to differentiate tissue types effectively. Through today's detailed breakdown, the intricate dance of microscope parts and staining artistry becomes apparent. Each component plays a vital role, resolving the challenge of understanding operational precision. And together they unlock new realms of scientific discovery. Whether you are a student, educator, or passionate enthusiast, remember that every lens, knob, and stain is a key to unveiling unseen worlds. Enhance your microscopy journey and unlock the unseen.